what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Jennifer, and today we are going to do a makeup haul. I got my Wet n Wild shipment in and I am so excited to share what I got with you guys. So if you like makeup haul videos, you like Wet n Wild makeup, and you'll want to see what I got, then stick around. So the first couple things I'm going to show you guys I actually didn't get in my shipment. I bought these in store. So I'm going to share those with you first. So first I got these at CVS, and they were actually, I kind of regret now where I bought them because I bought them at CVS for $1.50 and then I found them at Walmart for $1. So, but anyway, but these are their kohl eyeliners. These are just their straight up pencil eyeliners. And I did open the white one and try it out. I wasn't really overly impressed with it. So I'm gonna have to play with it a little bit more. We'll see if the black one works for me or not. But the white one just, I don't know. There are some tricks that you can use with pencil eyeliners, like making sure they're freshly sharpened, and the lighter trick where you kind of warm it up with a lighter before you use it. So I'll try some of those tricks and see if they make them work better, but I don't know, we'll see. Next, I bought this at Walmart. This is the Wet n Wild, I don't know, this is all Wet n Wild. I don't need to keep saying Wet n Wild. This is their Color Icon Blush Single in Rosé Champagne. And I just really thought that color was so pretty. I know there's a glare from the window, but I'm gonna swatch it real quick for you guys, because to me this is just like such a beautiful, I don't know, it's just such a pretty neutral blush. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but when I rub it onto my skin, this is the first time I'm swatching it, it's really pretty. It's almost, I mean, it almost is like highlightery almost, so I don't know, dude. This may be a really, it's working. It's going in there. I don't know. It may be too light for me. So we'll see. I don't know. Okay, next I got, this was actually one of their kind of their Christmas sets. And I bought it because, you know, I kind of wanted it. But this is the mini mascara collection, and it's got like 5 different mascaras in there. And it's got this one, which is their Max Volume Mascara, and I've used it before and I liked this. So I know already that I like this one, so I'm gonna pass that one on to my daughter. But then it also has Mega Volume, Mega Impact, Mega Protein, and Mega Links. So I am forever searching for a perfect drugstore dupe for my Benefit Roller Lash Mascara, so I thought I would give these little guys a try and see if I like them. And if I don't, you know, they're minis, so I can use them up, and I'm not out a whole lot of money, so I'm okay with that. But I thought, you know, $4.99 for 5 mini mascaras, that's really a good, I mean, you're paying about $1 for a mini, so that was a really good deal for me, so I don't mind it so much. Next we have another mascara. This one is called Turn Up the Volume Full Blast Mascara, and it kind of reminds me, the wand reminds me of my favorite mascara that I'm using now, and that's the CoverGirl Lash Blast. And that's my favorite drugstore mascara. So I don't know, we'll see if the two compare. This is actually cheaper than the CoverGirl mascara. So if they compare, then I will probably purchase this one more often than the CoverGirl, because, you know, I'm cheap. Next we have a foundation, and I actually bought this because it was on clearance and I'd never heard anything about it. And this is their Ultimate Match SPF 15 Liquid Foundation. And I got mine in porcelain. I have not heard anything about this, but I'm really impressed. The packaging's really nice. It's like this really pretty frosted glass packaging. The lid is really sturdy. It's, so it's, I mean, really nice quality. It doesn't really have much of a smell, I think. I don't know, maybe it does. Maybe it smells. No, it doesn't smell. There's just something on my finger that smells apparently. But no, it doesn't really have a smell to it, which I kind of appreciate, because the Wet n Wild Photo Focus really has a really strong scent. So I don't know, we'll see if this works. Like I said, I have not heard anything about it, so I don't know. The reason I think, I mean, it expires this year, expires in June, so that's probably why it was on clearance. And I mean, I got it for $1, so I'm willing to give it a shot and see if it works for me. I don't know if they're gonna still have this after the clearance is over, but you know, who knows? So we'll give it a shot. Next, we have their Cover All Pressed Powder in Fair to Light, and I've just heard really, really good things about this powder. I'm going to swatch it real quick. My favorite powder of all time is, well, my favorite pressed powder right now anyway, is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless. This is not opening for me. Come on, you. This is a Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless. So this is not opening, so I'm just gonna try it later and tell you how I like it. But, but I've heard that this one is very similar to that. And again, like with the mascara, this is cheaper than the Maybelline powder. So if this works just as well as that, then, I mean, why wouldn't I save a few bucks and buy this instead, right? So we'll give it a shot. Next, we have the Wet n Wild Coverall Liquid Concealer. And I've heard really good things about this concealer actually, so I'm really excited to try it out. I got this shade Light because that was the lightest they had. Looking at it, I'm a little concerned that it might be too dark for me. If that's the case, then it's probably going to go the route of so many other concealers that I use, and it's going to end up being more of a color corrector that I use under my foundation. Just because I am so freaking pale, which I don't mind. I like being a pale girl. There's nothing wrong with that. But it just makes it really hard to find really lightening concealers. Sometimes you gotta go super light, so. But anyway, but we'll give it a try and see what happens. Next is something that I am so stoked about. Actually, all of these next things I'm really, really stoked about. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder. And I got the shade Blossom Glow. Now this particular shade is new. And you can see it's even got the sticker on there. It says new. I've never tried it before. I've never tried any of these highlighting powders before. I've got the big highlighting palettes. The one that's, I've got, I'll have a Cosmo and Boozy Brunch, and I really do like those. I'm actually wearing that today. But I've heard so many great things about this highlighting powder. And the one that I've been hearing about is actually Precious Petals. But I did look at Precious Petals and it looked like it was a little too dark for me. But this one just kind of looked like it was right up my alley. And I'm just like, oh my gosh, it feels amazing. Oh, look at that. And oh, holy macaroni. That is lovely. I cannot wait to put that on my face. In fact, maybe I don't have to because I also got the fan brush. I've never used a fan brush to put highlighter on before. And I know that so many people like to use it for that. So I got one and I have no idea how I'm gonna get this off of here. Just pop off like that. Oh, it goes over. Maybe. Hello, let me in. Let me in, I want to use you. Ah, there we go. Ooh, it's all fluffy. It's kind of, it's very soft, So we're gonna try this. You guys are going to watch me use a fan brush for the first time, and I'm using this highlighter for the first time. Let's see what happens here. We're just gonna pop that right there. Anything? I don't know, I'm not telling much of a difference, are you? I don't know if it's the highlighter or the brush. I can't tell. Maybe then try this cheek. We tried this cheek. I don't know, are you seeing a difference? My partner in crime over here, Jakey Doodle, Thing 2, is over here telling me he sees a little bit of difference. You see a little bit of a difference, Thing 2?
It's a little more shiny.
It's a little more shiny?
Yeah.
Like, all right.
The light is reflecting off of it.
The light is reflecting off of it? Well, he sees it. So if he sees it, then that's a good thing. And it's probably just my angle. Well, see, now from here, I kind of do see it. That's actually so pretty. Oh, I see it on my cheeks now. Ooh. I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to play more with these, and I will definitely let you guys know how this, if it's working for me or not. So we'll see. But if that's any indication, if that's really what I'm seeing there, it's not bad. Next, again, I'm really close to the camera. Next we have their Mega Last Liquid Catsuit. This is their metallic lipsticks. And I got the shade Life's No Picnic because I thought that was right up my alley. I really enjoy this formula in their liquid lipsticks. Typically, it's not too over drying on me. Now here in the winter time when my lips are super, super parched, anyway, it is, you know, to be honest, I'm having an issue with all lipsticks right now. So not just the liquid ones, but this one, I don't know. Okay, I'm a little concerned with this. Do you see what it's doing there? There's a glare there. Let me see if I can.
I kind of do.
Let me see if I can get a better angle so the glare is not quite so bad on this. So that right there, you see that right there? That kind of concerns me just a little bit. I'm not too sure that that's quite the consistency that you should have. And it's a little thick. So I don't know if it's bad or not. I'll give it a try, but it does seem to be swatching really pretty. I mean, that is really a pretty color. So, you know, so I'll give it a try. If you've used these before and you found that is just the consistency of it, yeah, let me know in the comments and tell me what you thought about it. So, I mean, I'll give it a shot because you never know, right? And the last thing that I have for you is the things that I am the very most excited about. And that is their new palettes. Look at these beauties. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, you have no idea how excited I am to have these. This one is Rosé in the Air, and this is the one that I'm actually the very most excited about because this is the one that is supposed to be the exact dupe of the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. I have been coveting the Modern Renaissance palette. I have wanted that for so long. And, you know, obviously, I mean, it's expensive, y'all. It's like $40-something. Do you realize this entire box of makeup, this entire box cost less than that one palette? So for me, it's like, I can't justify buying a $40-something, $50-something palette. I'm trying to get this open so I can swatch it for you. There we go. Come on. Open, open, open. Still trying, almost there. There's like a little sliver right there. Okay, you know what? We're just going for it. I like that there's a sticker on the bottom too. For crying out loud. We want you to buy our products. We just don't want you to open them and use them. There we go. Yes. Look how pretty that is though. Look at those beautiful colors. I just love the colors of these. Okay, this red one is the one that I was most excited about because that's the color. Oh, that's the color that in the Modern Renaissance palette. Holy moly. Oh, good Lord. This burnt orange one right here. Oh, yes. This dusty rose one right here. Look how I'm just like, I haven't swatched a bad one yet. The shimmer. Let's try the shimmer. Shall we try the shimmer? Shall we try the shimmer? I mean, every color that I swatch. Every color. Ah. I also got the Not a Basic Peach palette, which I was super excited for. I don't know if this is supposed to be a dupe or not of one of the Too Faced Sweet Peach palettes. If you know if it's a dupe or not, let me know. I don't think it's supposed to be. I don't think it's actually supposed to be a dupe of anything, but it sure is pretty. And the last one that I got is the new Comfort Zone palette. Now, confession time, guys. I have not actually used the original Comfort Zone palette. For some reason, the original just never appealed to me. But this one, I don't know why, because it's got the same colors in it, just a different arrangement, and then it's got two other colors, but it just appealed to me more. So that's why I got that. So I am definitely going to be playing with all three of these quite a lot I'm going to be playing with these three quite a lot over the next couple of weeks. All right, guys, that is everything! Yay! That is everything that I got in my Wet n Wild haul. I am so excited to play with these things, and I'm so excited to update you guys. It'll probably be a couple of weeks when I update you guys because I want to make sure on how I feel about everything before I tell you. But I will probably use all of this stuff almost every day for the next 2 weeks, and I will let you guys know how I feel. If you would like to see me do any looks or any get ready with me's or anything like that with any of these new palettes, or if you want to see me do get ready with me with any of the new makeup, just let me know. Leave me a comment down below, or you can find me on Twitter, you can find me on Facebook. Just let me know, and I will definitely do that for you guys. So yeah, that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really enjoyed making this video. I hope you really enjoyed watching it. If you did, please leave me a like down below because it really does help out our channel so much when you do that. And if you haven't already and you'd like to, go ahead and click that little red subscribe button. And when you do that, be sure to hit the little bell notification so you don't miss any more videos. And if you like gaming, go and check out my other channel with my husband. It is Two Mere Mortals, and we do lots of Minecraft gaming, we do some Fallout gaming, and we do some Twitch live streaming on Thursdays. So that is where you can find me all throughout the week. We will see you guys later. I love y'all so much. Thank you for joining me. And remember, you are created in the image of a loving God who thinks you are absolutely beautiful just the way you are. See you guys next time. Bye.
Bye-bye.